Hi and what's up? I hope you're doing fine. In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very simple breakfast recipe and it's going to be so delicious. So today I'm going to be making waffles and they're going to have a twist at the end. So watch until the end and learn how to make this amazing recipe. So this recipe is very nutritious, it is well balanced, and it's going to keep you full until lunchtime, or if you're fasting, it's going to keep you full until you have your next meal. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. So in my bowl, I'm going to be adding flour, sugar, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. So I'm going to add salt, baking powder, then I'm going to whisk everything together. If you're not a fan of waffles, try out this recipe and you're going to be amazed. Once everything is combined, it is a very quick recipe. So if you're going to be making this recipe early in the morning, it'll take about 5 minutes and you'll be done. So I'm going to add in an egg, cooking oil, some vanilla essence, just eyeballing, but it is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and milk. Using a whisk, I'm going to whisk everything together to combine. Add a little bit more. At this point, my batter is ready and it's nice and smooth. So I've not overmixed, so you should avoid overmixing. So next let me place my whisk there. Next, you're going to preheat your waffle maker. Mine is already getting hot. Next, I'm going to check on my waffle maker, which is already hot. Then I'm going to spray my waffle maker with some cooking spray. If you don't have the cooking spray, you can just use the regular vegetable oil. Then I'm going to add in my butter. So I'm using half a cup to make my waffles. I'm going to close and let the waffle maker do its magic. So when the waffle maker is doing its thing, I'm going to be making guacamole. So I'm going to slice my avocado. It's not avocado season, but once in a while you can get a very good avocado. So here we go. So I'm going to scoop out my avocado into my bowl. Just like that. Then I'm going to squeeze in a lime. Okay, I don't have a lemon. I happen to have a lime, so it's still going to work. So you squeeze in water, the lemon water, so that the avocado does not oxidize. And then using a fork, I'm going to mash my avocado. Once my avocado is mushy, I'm going to be adding in some tomatoes and well diced onion. Mix up together. Once everything is nice and smooth, I'm going to be adding in my seasoning. So I'm going to be adding salt. You add a generous amount of salt to taste. and a little bit of black pepper here. If you don't like black pepper, you can leave it out, but I find that it adds so much flavor. Then mix. My guacamole is ready, and also my waffles are ready. I'm going to use a knife and pick my waffle up. Yum, they look amazing. Just look at that, so good. Next, I'll be adding my next round of waffles. So you can double up the amount of ingredients if you have a large family, or if it is not for a breakfast for 2 or 3, and make for your entire family. So this is how my waffles are looking, and they look so delicious. I love the color, I love the texture of the waffle, and to make that twist of our breakfast waffle, I'm going to be adding in guacamole. So now I'm going to assemble my waffle. So I'm going to place one waffle aside, and then I'm going to add in this delicious guacamole. Then I'm going to place my next waffle on top, squeeze in a little bit, and my breakfast is ready. So this is how it's looking. You can notice the guacamole, the gorgeous, delicious waffles. So I'm going to be making the rest, and I'm going to enjoy. Okay, the next is not for me, but I'm going to enjoy mine fully. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on my next one. Yeah, bye.